Hello YouTube and welcome. At Target tonight I found Panini Prizm draft picks. Super excited. I've seen a bunch of collectors on other channels opening these up. The cards look great. This year's NBA draft class is doing really well. Super excited to open these up, so let's get to it. So 48 cards come in the box, one autograph per box. Can't wait to see what that is. 12 packs, 4 cards per pack. Let's open this baby up and see what we got. So let's see, first pack we have Keldon Johnson. Oh, he was a stud at Kentucky last year. Ooh, yes. Cam Johnson, look at that, love that. Real nice. Darius Garland, he's with Cleveland this year. Love that. Jarrett Culver, nice pack to start off the box. Number 2. Bruno, he's playing for the Hawks this year. Nickeil Alexander-Walker's with the Clippers. He looks really good. Ooh, PJ Washington, like that. He is killing it for the Hornets this year too. I love that. It's a really nice looking card. And Nick Claxton. Back of PJ Washington's card there. If you are not collecting him, I would highly suggest PJ Washington right now. He looks like he is going to be a stud. Third pack. Ooh, that card looks nice. Jalen McDaniels got drafted by the Hornets in the second round. Okeke for Auburn. It's a nice looking card there. Cody Martin, another Hornet. There's the back of the Okeke card there. He might be a player down the road. And Tyler Hero, another stud. It's a great looking card. Can't wait to see what the autograph I get in this box is. So far, I am loving these cards. Loving the players I've got. Ooh, RJ Barrett, very nice. Back to RJ Barrett's card. He's got off to a nice start with the Knicks this year. Like that. Jordan Poole. I think he's with Golden State. Grant Williams. He's a stud for the Celtics. Like I said, this draft class is loaded. And Tremont Waters. It's packed. I apologize for not being mic'd up earlier. Just so excited. We got Dwayne. I've never even heard of this cat. Dwayne Hernandez, Admiral Schofield from Tennessee. Justin Wright Foreman. Never heard of that dude. Where'd he play at? All right, and Brandon Clark. Kind of a dud pack, but that was the first one, so I'll take it. All right, got 6 more packs after this one. Ooh, another Cam Johnson. One of the best shooters I've seen in college. Carson Edwards, nice, and he is just, I think he's gonna be another awesome player for the Celtics. Really like his game. Another Cody Martin with a little shine there. And Jordan Bone from Tennessee. So far, ooh, yes. Nas Little. All right. Darius Garland. Ooh, Rui, he's doing real well with the Wizards. Like that one. Oh, Gonzaga, who we got here? I liked him in Michigan. I don't know if his game will translate over to the pros very well, but I did like him in Michigan a lot. And Nas, oh, that's a nice card to Nas. He had more of a pro game. Hopefully he does well for Portland. All right, oh yeah, nice. Nickeil Alexander-Walker with DeAndre Hunter with the Hawks. Kevin Porter Jr. Ooh, and PJ Washington. Another PJ Washington. Like it. Packs to go. Been real happy with all these packs. No autograph yet. Ooh, like the shine, the orange color. I like that a lot. Jarrett Culver. And here's the autograph. and have never heard of this guy. Never. And I watch a lot of college basketball. I have no idea who this guy is. And it's numbered to 20, so that's good. But yeah, no name on the jersey at all. No school name. I mean, it's a cool looking card. Nice autograph, whoever this guy is. But yeah, I have no idea who this dude is. And Grant Williams. Packs to go. Would be nice to pull a Zion, but I have pulled Barrett, so I can't complain too much. Pulled a couple of his. Ooh, Cam Reddish, very nice. He's doing well also with the Hawks. Another Darius Garland, and old Cody Martin. I pulled a few of his in this box. More packs to go. Jordan Poole, Rui. Ooh, Ja Morant, nice. Real nice, All-Americans, and he could win Rookie of the Year. He has gone off to a fantastic start. Memphis looks real tough. There's the back of that card. And Kevin Porter Jr. in the back. Real nice. So I have opened 2 packs of the collegiate draft picks, box of this. No signs of Zion, so I guess for those who have pulled them, it's good. It's not like he's plentiful. Got Admiral Schofield, Taylor Horton Tucker. Ooh, another Ja Morant. No Zion in this box, but I'll take 2 Ja Morants. Real nice. And Darius Garland. There's the back of that one. That is it for the packs, YouTube. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is probably my 10th take trying to do this, so hopefully I get it right this time. The cards you saw me opening these packs, I'm going to be sending them off to COMC. I'll be putting a link down below for where you can take a look at my page to see what cards I do have for sale. Nothing spectacular, but there are a few good cards up there for sale. Like I said, hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate any likes or anyone subscribing to all the videos I'm putting out. And until next time, YouTube, see ya.